Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about calculated table joins in Power BI. So what are calculated table joins and why do we use it? Calculated table joins are used to combine two or more tables data. So suppose there is a requirement that we need to join two or more tables data. Then with the help of a common table calculated join function, we can able to do it. The common calculated table joins are cross join, union, accept, and intersect. The cross join will going to give you the Cartesian product of two tables which we are using. Accept will going to figure it out the data which is present only at the left hand side of the table. Union will going to give you the combination of the data which is present in the two table, but one catch is there, the number of the columns must be same. The intersect will give you the data which is the overlapping between two tables. This is only overview of calculated table joins function. I will going to cover in detail with the help of an exercise of each calculated table joins in my coming videos. Let's discuss about some use case. First use case is blending or combining data across multiple tables. So suppose there is a requirement that we want to do a certain kind of a calculation, or we are going to write a measure to do certain kind of a calculation, and we want the data between multiple tables. Then how we can get the data from the multiple tables? So with the help of a calculated table joins function, we can able to do it. Either we can use cross join, union, accept, or intersect. Creating advanced calculation like new user, returning user, repeat purchase, and the behavior. So whenever we are doing the advanced calculation, for instance, if you are talking about a retail domain, in retail domain, most of the time we are just calculating what are the new users in a particular period, what are the returning users in a particular period in a particular store. There's a lot of combination would be there, and what are the repeat purchase behavior of those users. So whenever such kind of a calculation we want to do, the data must be gathered from the different tables, and with the help of a calculated table joins function, we can able to gather the data from different tables to do the advanced calculation. This is the third use case, querying table to troubleshoot error or better understanding of the relationship in the table. So whenever there is a requirement to do a troubleshoot, whenever we are just doing whenever we are querying on a table, so with the help of a calculated table joins function, we can do a troubleshoot. And if you want to understand the better relationship in the data model, we can use calculated table join function. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.